Hey ladies and gents, this is Wiz, and a look at the Bassylia prototype, parted out. Bassylia is the snake goddess, the winged snake goddess of the Mythic Legion's Bassylia faction, named after her. And here are some of her parts. There's a collar, a chest piece, a loincloth. Here's the head, right? Very cool iridescent metallic paints on her. And there's a headdress with beautifully painted feathers, and then here's her, I guess, crown, for lack of a better term. And that will have a bunch of these wonderful red feathers attached to it. There's the wing adapters, some new wing adapters, and then here are the beautiful wings. Tricolored, really subtly painted. The tail, again, with the metallics and what looks like some sort of iridescent paint. So just a beautiful, beautiful figure. Very nice to finally have her, and I don't see how she could be any better. I think it's a real standout from the wave. And of course, anytime you have a goddess, an Aztec or Mesoamerican inspired goddess, is Ramirez, that's me, is going to be very happy, because my figure is Ramirez, gonna have a female companion. So, all right, hooray for Bassylia, hooray for the Legions ladies, hooray for me and all the fans that are gonna have an opportunity to buy this figure when it is put together and it comes out. All right, Wiz, signing out.